Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can insert videos into your photo editing projects on Adobe Express Photo. For example, if you'd like to convert your photo editing project into a video. So let us guide you through this. Navigate to the Adobe Express Photo Editor to your project. I will go with this one here. And what you need to do, guys, is click into Add Content in the top left. Hover your mouse over it, choose Media. Switch from photos to videos, and you may, for example, record your own video, upload one from a device saved in, I don't know, MP4 format, or you may go with a video clip from the Adobe Express library. Now, for copyright reasons, I'm not going to use any of these now, but instead, guys, it is really not difficult. Use one of these options, upload it from your device, and then it will be placed here in the middle, like you do with photos, so that you may position it here, resize it, and it works the same way as inserting photos. So that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.